welcome back to Weeby Kids. We're out in the woods, it's a beautiful day and the whole woodland is filled with beautiful autumnal colours. We're going to collect some leaves and we're going to show you how to make a leaf spiral. Let's go!
So, once you've collected a whole basket full of leaves, find yourself a beautiful tree and a nice big stick, or failing that you can always use your feet. We're going to make a clearing around our tree. So now we've got our wonderful clearing, the next thing we need to do is sort out our leaves into all the different gradations of colour. So, off we go! So, when you come to doing your spiral, you need to consider the amounts of the different colour leaves that you have, and I personally would recommend that you use the one that you have the least amount of around the centre of the tree and work your way out through the colours to the ones you have the most of, because obviously it takes more leaves to go around the outside, but in reality it's entirely up to you. Let's get going! So here we have our autumn colours spiral. So you can come back here tomorrow or the next day, check out your work, see what nature does with it and see how the fairies come and play with it overnight. Thanks for stopping by for Weeby Kids. See you next time. Bye.